Okay, I have two shut-off valves under my kitchen sink that are soldered onto pipes with a fitting on the top of them. Neither one of them will shut off the water, and my project is to take these off. First thing, I won't go through it because it'll take too long, but I won't actually do it. But I need to go downstairs and shut the water off from the main valve in the basement. Then I need to, when I come back up, to push this and take that faucet plastic line off the top. And once I do that, I could sit here for 3 hours and try to melt the solder off that fitting with a propane torch. But I've already tried that. That's hopeless. Been using one of these and I've been there for 10 minutes and haven't melted it yet. So the next thing you're going to do is take that wrench off. You're going to use that, since the water's off, we're going to use this tool to cut it right off the pipe. Okay, now let's say you've got the valve cut off the pipe using that tool. Now what we're going to do, we got this for a practice piece that I was using before. We're going to remove, pretend that this is the pipe that's coming out of the floor. We got to get a tool with a brush on it on the inside from the hardware store. Put this on there. And then you turn it 20, 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I probably do it 50 times to make sure, but you can see it takes the oxidation off the pipe. Then what you do is you would put, this is some flux. You put some flux on it. Now you do that 50. You do that thing 50 times. Now you work with the other valve, the valve that we have here. Take a brush, wherever I put the brush, I don't know, but a brush like this, and you stick it in here and turn this 50 or 60 times until it's nice and clean. Let's say I've already done that. I put some flux in it. Put it on top like that. position. And then what you end up doing is you have the solder on the back and the torch in the front, and you heat this until the solder on the back melts. And then when you're done, you take a look at it with a mirror, and it should look like this, if you can see that. There's a nice line of solder underneath there, and that ought to do it.